Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Crypto.com coin, or CRO. If you have not been paying attention in the past 24 hours, we have officially turned it upside down and we are in an uptrend. It is starting to look really good as the higher high and the higher lows are starting to come in. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. That's completely free to do so, but the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people see the incredible side of CRO, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and show you guys something very interesting. So if we decide to look at the last 24 hours, you guys can see on the super trend we are in a strong uptrend. But exactly 24 hours ago, the 24 hours before, we were in a downtrend. Now what is crazy about this is you guys can clearly see that we have formed into a consolidation period from the past 18 hours or so, but this is really good. As I mentioned before, what is going to happen is this consolidation period will actually play off the same support we had previously, and you can see around this general area as well. The consolidation period right now has been sticking close to 74 and 76 cents, which is some very strong points that CRO actually plays on the support. Another thing you need to understand is you guys need to make sure that all the people who do not believe in CRO token and want to just make profit, they will get rid of it. Consolidation period just gets rid of those people because they think that maybe the token will start crashing. But if we decide to look at the overall trend, you can see at this point the higher high was obviously higher than the previous higher high, and the same thing is happening over here. So overall this higher high was higher than this one, and this lower low was higher than this one, suggesting that we were forming a downtrend and a lot of people actually got scared. We did not want that, but you can see that this up push or the retracement we received about 24 hours ago is the one that broke us out of the downtrend and put us in an uptrend. Now after that, if we decide to look at it again, you can see this higher high is obviously lower than the next one. This lower low is obviously lower than this one, suggesting that we are in an uptrend. This is not a consolidation period anymore. We just need to make sure that this small pullback or the retracement that we are receiving stays over the point of 68 cents. If it stays over that, we can confirm for a fact that now CRO is in an uptrend. I know a lot of you guys want to see the bull run that we actually had about 6 or 7 days ago. You want to see an extreme bull run, but you need to understand the consolidation period will give us some time to cool off and also have some new passengers on board that will be able to help us in the long run. Just keep in mind this retracement that took us from all-time high all the way down obviously was actually a point where everything could have crashed, but seeing that the price holding so strong is incredible. If you guys do not know, on CoinMarketCap again we have took over Luna and now we are back in the slot where yes we are supposed to be. CRO is still very low cap. I would personally say it still has so much potential and needs to grow and easily make it to top 5 largest cryptocurrencies in world by market cap. Personally, I would not be surprised if it makes it to top 4, and honestly it's just such a good project. And also another thing which is really good is the chart is starting to look a lot better as the consolidation period comes in. If we decide to look at the 4-hour chart, it will give you guys a more clear indication in terms of what is happening. If we decide to use the line, you can see from the all-time high, yes, now it's slowly starting to show us that this is coming true. Yes, the symmetrical triangle here is starting to close in, and it actually looks more realistic than before. Before it was too early to call it, but you can see now it is very clear that the symmetrical triangle is starting to close in. At this small point, you can see about 8 hours ago we did actually break out of the symmetrical triangle, but on the other hand it actually came down very quickly, suggesting there was a lot of sell pressure. Now, yes, we're starting to climb up again, but most likely there will be another drop, and then that drop will slowly close in, and as the validity in the CRO market slows down, the symmetrical triangle will close in, and once it is closed in, you guys know it will be an extreme bullish movement that will take us all the way to all-time high. There is so much happening in the CRO market, but before we carry on, I want to show you guys some incredible news that have come out with towards the token, which will actually help it push even more. If we decide to look at this post, this was actually posted by New York Post, and you guys know this is one of the most known news articles in the world. But what is interesting is they talked about Crypto.com. Crypto firms pay massive price tags to name arenas as sports teams weigh risk. So, you know, obviously the Staples Center has been renamed to Crypto.com Arena. Cryptocurrency companies are being forced to shell out massive premiums in sports sponsorship deals as the professional teams weigh the risk of getting burnt, like some of them did during the dot-com bubble. Crypto.com, a Singapore-based crypto trading site, reportedly paid $700 million to change the Staples Center to Crypto.com, and in March, another company decided to pay $135 million, but obviously Miami Heat did not want to do it. But now it being changed, there is some things which a lot of people are scared about. Are they going to be trying to strip all the big brands from the companies and also the professional teams? Personally, I do not think so, as this will actually attract a lot of sport fans that will actually want to go ahead and become part of Crypto.com. As soon as they see the arena name being changed, they probably want to search it up, look more into it, and more people will be invested in thing to make more money. So I don't think anything is bad at all. Now, if we decide to look at another post that was made by the official Crypto.com Twitter page, you can see Dustin, who is a UFC fighter. He is being sponsored by Crypto.com. Walking into the unknown but walking with your head high, that's bravery. And obviously Crypto UFC. Man, this is crazy. You do not understand how many big moves Crypto.com is doing for the whole cryptocurrency market. Personally, I'm really happy to see this, and it just makes me happy that a lot more people who are UFC fighters or fans of UFC will look into Crypto.com and think about, I can invest in this, and probably invest in CRO coin as the first thing, because when they go into Crypto.com, obviously they do have CRO as one of the main things that come on your face. Personally, I'm really happy to see this, and another thing which is really good is the holders of CRO keep rising every single day. Today we went up 0.5%. If you consider 150,000, 0.5% is close to 1,000, or actually 800 people added just today, which is insane. It just means that there is 800 new people that decided to hold onto the token and obviously help increase the price. Personally, I like to see it when there's more and more holders of a specific token, because it actually helps increase the validity and also the stability of the token. Now, the price prediction, this was posted by CoinQuora. Crypto.com price prediction: will CRO hit $3 in 2021? Bullish CRO price prediction ranges from 52 cents to $1. CRO might also reach $3 soon. Price bearish market prediction for 2021 is 32 cents. So if the market completely crashes, the lowest we're going to go to 32 cents, and if it goes into a good mood, we can actually make it all the way to $3, which is just insane. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you scroll down, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.